Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the world of wooden phone holders. These versatile accessories not only keep your phone within easy reach, but also add a touch of style to your workspace or home. Let's start by looking at the various types of wooden phone holders available. From minimalist stands to intricately carved docks, there is a wooden phone holder to suit every taste and need. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or rustic and charming, there is a wooden phone holder that is perfect for you. So, what are the benefits of using a wooden phone holder? Well, for starters, it keeps your phone upright, making it easier to see notifications, take calls, and watch videos without having to hold your device. Plus, it helps to prevent neck strain by keeping your phone at eye level, whether you're working at your desk or lounging on the couch. Another advantage of wooden phone holders is their aesthetic appeal. Made from natural materials like bamboo, walnut, or oak, these holders add warmth and character to any space. With their timeless design and attention to detail, wooden phone holders are not just functional accessories, but also works of art in their own right. But it is not just about looks. Wooden phone holders are also incredibly versatile. Whether you're using them at home, in office, or on the go, they provide a stable and secure base for your phone, keeping it steady and safe from accidental drops or spills. Some wooden phone holders even come with adjustable angles, allowing you to customize the viewing experience to suit your needs. Whether you prefer a vertical or horizontal orientation, you can easily adjust the angle of your phone holder for optimal comfort and visibility. And let's not forget about functionality. Many wooden phone holders also double as charging docks, allowing you to power up your device while it's on display. With built-in charging ports and cable management systems, these holders make it easy to keep your phone charged and ready to go at all times. Plus, some wooden phone holders are designed specifically for the use in the car, providing a safe and convenient way to access navigation, music, and hands-free calling while you're on the road. With their sturdy construction and adjustable grips, these holders ensure that your phone stays secure even on bumpy roads. So, whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your workspace, keep your phone within easy reach or your bedside table, or stay connected while you're on the go, a wooden phone holder is the perfect solution. With its combination of style, functionality, and versatility, it is a must-have accessory for any modern style. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed learning about the benefits of wooden phone holders. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and home decor inspiration. Until next time, stay organized and stylish.